So this is gardening in Nebraska. It's blue skies, beautiful day, a little windy. Oh wait, no, tornado warning down that way. So you never know what you're gonna get here. You know, in gardening, sometimes you can do everything right and still lose. And the reason for that is because we're dealing with a very fickle thing, Mother Nature. And in the spring, this time of year, she can get an attitude. That attitude can change fast, and she can have a temper. People around us have been finding that out lately, and I got lucky. But just 10 miles south of me, they got hit by some pretty good hail. In this little video, I'm just going to show you some of the struggles we go through in this part of the country. And I'm sure we're not alone, but middle of the country can be pretty volatile this time of year. So I just thought I'd show you a piece of what we deal with quite a bit here in the spring. So hope you like this video. Hey, I'm going to show you around the garden today. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but we are supposed to get possible severe weather today. Reed Timmer put a post on his Facebook channel saying we might be due for gorilla hail and severe weather. So I wanted to get a before and hopefully not after video of what happens. If there's hail coming, I hope to protect as much of it as I can, but it'd be a good time to show a quick little update of where things are and what happens if something happens. We had a hailstorm about a week ago, pea-sized hail, but it was relentless and long and tore up a lot of the stuff. I think I should show that in another video. Some of the lettuces and some of the leafy vegetables really took a beating, as you can see from this kale, all the holes in it. So I'm just going to show you around a little bit, and hopefully I don't have to do an update to I don't want to have an after. Hopefully this video doesn't even get aired, because the only point of making this right now is to, if there is something, then I'll show what happened. So take a look around. So some of my pepper plants that I'd shown in a previous video or an upcoming video are my overwintered peppers, and they're really starting to do well. This is a Cubanelle pepper, and it's really starting to lush out. You can see its stem, nice old pepper, but pepper plant, I mean. But we've got some really nice peppers on it already for early June. And look at all the buds. I don't know if you see them all, but it's gonna start producing a lot of peppers. My other overwintered one is this little tiny chili diarbol, and it's actually, it had a pepper on it that was starting to turn red, yeah, already. So, and some of the tomato plants this year, I planted some in here. Look at the size of that tomato plant already compared to some of the others. I'll show you, but this is a new one this year. It's a tangerine crim, which is a new MI Gardener variety, and it's already, I can't get in there. It's already got a few tomatoes on it. So it's going to be the first one to give me tomatoes. But they're doing well. Here's a few pepper plants that are really slow and going. Maybe they're not doing as well in the pots. Oh, there's my little wren. She's got a nest in there, and she comes and goes out of that little nesting box. Some of these peppers, they're just not doing quite as well as the rest. That's some raspberry plants I bought last year. Roots from MI Gardener. Here's a good example of the hail. My hostas plant really took a beating during the last hailstorm. You can see the holes. And I'd hate to see him suffer another one. Well, unfortunately, it looks like the storms are rolling in. We'll see what happens. Well, we got lucky this time. The spring's not over yet, though, and there's plenty of storms yet in store for us. So we'll see what happens. But you can do everything right, taking care of your plants, getting them into the ground and fertilizing and making sure everything's perfect. But if Mother Nature decides to have a tantrum, there's not much you can do. Expect to have some failures in gardening. And sometimes no matter what you do, you're going to have a failure or something's going to happen. Gardening has no guarantees. It's especially when you're dealing with Mother Nature. That's the one wild card you just can't plan for in the deck. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, drop me a comment and let me know if you're dealing with any weather issues in your area. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would. I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Take care.